Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own AI generator application step by step. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to build an AI-powered tool for generating images or videos quickly and easily. Now, let's talk about Opal by Google. Opal is an experimental platform from Google that allows you to create AI-based applications simply by describing what you want. You don't need advanced coding skills. Just type your idea, and the system helps turn it into a working app. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Google Chrome. Next, go to the search bar and type Opal Google, then press Enter. From the search results, click on Opal Experiment. Once the page opens, sign in using your Google account. After logging in, click on the Create New button. Now, type a description of the AI application you want to create. For example, you can create an AI image generator or an AI video generator. After that, start the creation process and wait for it to finish. This may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once it's ready, test your AI application. Try different prompts and see how it performs. If you like the result, you can also share your application with others. And that's it. You've successfully created your own AI generator app using Opal by Google. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.